packing for a week in a carry-on can feel like a major challenge.
But with the right strategy, you can actually fit everything you need into one carry-on without having to sit in your suitcase in order to zip it up. Look at her, look at her, struggle. Travel expert Jennifer Weatherhead is here to join us and tell us how we can do this.
I'm not gonna lie, I do that. Sometimes I say.
All the time. Yeah. My wife, no, not me. Because I'm in a duffel.
Have you heard how he packs?
I heard, but I'm gonna change his ways.
Yeah,
I promise.
zipping stuff.
Yeah. So I have it all set up here for you guys. Marisol, if you want to come over here.
I do.
And then
we have a pack off?
We are gonna have a pack off. I'm gonna help you guys do this, okay? So we're gonna pack an entire week's worth of clothing into some packing cubes. The key here for the clothing is 333.
What's packing cube? What is that?
This is your packing cube.
Oh, you are a newbie.
I thought this was dirty clothes.
No.
It can be at the end of your vacation.
Is it inflatable?
It's going to shrink.
Oh,
I'm going to show you a magic trick. So the key is 333.
Okay.
3 tops, 3 bottoms, and then 3 layering pieces.
Oh.
So your layering pieces can be like a cardigan, a sweater, a blazer, or a sport coat.
Okay.
And then your bottoms, you can mix and match everything, and you can get over 20 different outfits out of this. Yes.
So you're doing a capsule wardrobe.
Yes. This is travel math.
Okay.
You look terrified.
I'm so above my pay grade.
Okay, we're gonna get you started. Yeah. We're gonna put in the pants. We're gonna put these.
First of all,
inside.
I would never wear these pants. I'm kidding. I would love these pants.
Oh my gosh.
My husband.
I knew they were your husband's. Yeah.
I raided his closet.
What am I just
so
stuffing?
We're gonna stuff this in.
So the idea is to get everything into.
So I've already ironed these and made them nice and flat.
Oh my gosh,
That's a key, a little secret.
Hold on, I have a question.
Yeah,
I have a question,
Too bad
Jennifer. Question. This happened to me the other day when I was packing with my son. Do you put the heavier stuff at the bottom and then gradually go lighter?
I usually do the other way around, but I'm also going to tell you that you need to wear your heaviest items on the airplane. Bulkiest and heaviest on the airplane.
I do that.
Okay, fair.
I think you put the more wrinkly stuff on top because you don't want to mess it up.
Yeah.
Well, for the interest of this 3-minute television segment, we are gonna.
You're gonna shove in as much as you can.
Your husband wears a nice Ted Baker. I'm not messing with this Ted Baker.
It's okay, I'll do it, and then he can be upset with me.
Yep.
Shove everything in.
All of it goes in like this.
So you can also pack your blazer if you want to. Are you one of those people at the airport?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you can also have your, I wouldn't put that in there per se.
This is a pillow.
But you can either wear it or take it as a pillow, or you can ask the flight attendant to hang it up for you. You can wear it. We'll see if you're the same size. So once you get everything in there, also I have a matching set here, which is a key because then you can mix and match even more.
Gals, so pack your matching set.
Exactly.
Because that's 3 outfits,
zip this
maybe 4.
Super tight.
Yeah,
and you kind of do this, but look, we have this little magic.
Oh, you're going to use your mouth?
Oh my gosh.
I was ready.
Jennifer, are we putting our accessories in these packing?
You are not. Do you see this? It's magic. It's amazing. It squishes it.
No.
She's so excited. You're definitely from Canada.
So you'll put everything in there. Your accessories, you're actually going to just put them over here on the other side of your suitcase. So think of your accessories as being flat, especially for ladies, like beaded, something really fun and funky. Shoes, also a big question. 3 pairs of shoes in your carry-on. Walking shoes, sandal, dress shoe. Bulkiest shoes like sneakers or boots on the plane. That's what you have to wear on the plane.
The bulky stuff on the plane.
Yeah, everything bulky on the plane. This looks great on you.
Thank you so much. The boots always come with me on the plane.
Always on the plane. No heels.
You just announced it. All you pack is 12 pairs of underwear and that's it. You don't even have a toothbrush or toothpaste.
I wear everything on the plane and then I put these in my back pocket. I put always flip-flops.
Flip-flops in the back pocket.
Toiletries.
Toiletries. You want to look for beauty products double duty stick formulations so they don't count as a liquid. You want to use reusable containers. I even do like a little freshening, linen freshening mist, so that way if you feel like your clothing needs a refresh, that's an easy way to do that.
Electric hangers?
No, this is to weigh your suitcase because sometimes the airlines are really nitpicky about how much your carry-on weighs.
I get you.
And you can just be like, go ahead, weigh that because I already did it and I know I'm fine. And it has a flashlight on it.
Look at us role-playing right now as if we're her and her husband.
All right, come on. All right, Ben.
I got to put my
packed your suitcase.
And you put everything in there.
Really think, so investing in the...
That is a lifesaver.
Okay.
It really is. Packing cubes are key Well, that's part
This
of
is a
the
parachute?
suitcase. That's part of the suitcase.
Oh.
You would zip it all up.
Oh, I won't zip it up.
You really do only do
I
duffel
thought it was
bag,
a
don't you?
parachute.
And
Got
then,
everything.
A parachute.
Yeah.
and there you have it.
And then the other key thing I would say is
Yeah.
for your personal item, a lot of people think that it's just a little purse size.
No.
It can be a lot bigger, so you can fit more things in there. But 3 things you absolutely need to have in there:
Right.
medications and your personal item, not
Yep.
the carry-on.
Yeah.
I put my undies in.
You need an extra pair just
Right?
in case.
I put all of them in there just in case.
Yep.
And also all of your electronics, chargers, cables in that just in case
Just
they
in
make
case.
you gate check.
Right.
You want to make sure you have
That's
all
it.
of your
Your
necessities
chargers.
with you.
Jen, thank you so much.
Jen, thank you so
you.
much. If you need an expert in travel, follow Jen on Instagram at Jennifer Weatherhead. You
That's
will
right.
not be. I just learned so much.